Hi, welcome to Introduction to Legal Research. Before you start this, your first video in Module 1, you should have successfully completed all the items in the Brightspace Read section. It contained 2 content sections, 2 how do I's, and then a short reading quiz. So these videos are designed to scaffold upon the read section, helping you build on prior knowledge and internalize new information. The read section builds those supports where the concepts are first introduced, and then this videos and exercises section will not repeat the content in the read section, but instead we're going to build on those supports before letting you use the knowledge that we've layered together on your weekly graded assignment. So we'll start with a quick review of some of the fundamentals of American law. Let's talk about the term jurisdiction. You'll see the question, what's your jurisdiction? Many times in legal research class. And while the term has many possible meanings, for legal research, jurisdiction refers to a government's general power to exercise authority over persons and things within its territory. So, when we bring that concept of jurisdiction together with the concept of federalism, which is power shared between authorities, we understand that some legal issues are governed exclusively by the federal government. Other issues are governed exclusively by state governments, and some issues are governed by a mix of federal and state law. So, when you are asked the threshold question of what's your jurisdiction, we're really asking which jurisdiction's laws apply to the issue you need to research. Is this a federal issue, a state law issue? If it's a state law issue, which state? Or is this a situation where both federal and state law may apply? This is important for research because authority depends on jurisdiction. Only primary law can be binding. We know that. But a primary law source can be binding in one location and merely persuasive in another. For example, a Kansas statute can be binding in Kansas, right? But it's merely persuasive in California, not binding there. Part 1 of your first learning exercise will take you through this threshold question and a few others before we start digging into the legal research databases. So when this video concludes in just a moment, please view Beverly Air Hotel, the animated video that sets up the context for you, and then open the Module 1 learning exercise Word document and answer the first 6 questions, stopping when you get to the word stop. And then return here for the next lecture video, which will set you up for the next part of the learning exercise.